When your company gets a new roof, you want it to be worry-free for years. But your roof isn't all that should bring peace of mind. The installation should be worry-free too. And that's just what you get with Centimark. No one is more dedicated to installing roofs safely than us.
All of our roofers and everyone else that works for us is part of our family. It's important for us that we make sure that they go home every night the way they came to work.
We have monthly safety meetings, quarterly safety trainings, and the investment that our leadership and our management have put into safety with all of the equipment and all of the availability to our employees, it's paramount.
Centimark's safety training includes OSHA, first aid and CPR, proper procedures, and proper use of all equipment. And our safety incident rating is 3 times lower than the industry average.
I'm looking for consistency in the level of service, and it really is important to me that Centimark has their own employees that's gone through the proper training and supervision.
What does this mean for you? If our crews feel safe, they can focus on the workmanship of your roof.
We put steps forth to ensure their safety, the safety of our customers, and the surroundings.
Which starts with a safety plan that's implemented before any work begins. It's a comprehensive approach tailored to your needs and local requirements. It's not only rigorously followed, it's reviewed with you on a regular basis, keeping you aware of all safety equipment and procedures used on site. Our safety precautions include fall protection, fall carts, roof anchors, self-retracting lifelines, rope grabs, harnesses, and lanyards. We erect guardrails or warning line flags around the work perimeter. We install skylight guards with nets or more permanent solutions. Inside the building, steps are taken to protect employees and assets during any overhead work. And they always wear the required personal protective equipment, such as hard hats, safety glasses, and gloves.
It's really important for me to work with partners such as Centimark because it truly brings a peace of mind overall.
For a roof with total peace of mind, work with the people who deliver total safety from start to finish. Work with Centimark.